Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Ardila Mardatila. NPM 202040 64 MT5 115. I'm from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, majoring in elementary school teacher education. I'm from class J. Okay, here I will read a short story that is entitled The Sad Man. The Sad Man. I was walking down the street one day when I noticed a man sitting on the curb crying. He was a pitiful sight with tears flowing down his cheeks, and his sobs could be heard up and down the street. I stooped and asked him what the problem was. "Well, it's like this," he said. "Every morning I wake up to my beautiful wife's loving kiss. Then the cooks me a fine breakfast and serves it to me in bed. After that, I usually go back to sleep while she cleans the house. She goes to her office and works until about noon, at which time she comes home and fixes me a nice lunch. Of course, she has to go back to work, so I just sit around watching television all afternoon. When she gets home, she is always happy to see me, so she smothers me with kiss again before she cooks me a wonderful dinner. After this grand meal, we usually kiss and hug in front of the television until we're ready to go to bed. Every day has been like this for the last 20 years. That doesn't sound so bad, I said. What's the problem? Just to do something different, I went for a walk today, he replied. No, I can't remember when I left. Next, I will read the translate or meaning of the story that I have read. Orang sedih. Suatu hari, saya sedang berjalan di jalan ketika saya melihat seorang pria duduk di tepi jalan sambil menangis. Dia adalah pemandangan yang menyedihkan, dengan air mata mengalir di pipinya dan isak tangisnya bisa terdengar di jalan. Saya berhenti dan bertanya apa masalahnya. "Ya, begini," katanya. "Setiap pagi, aku bangun untuk ciuman penuh kasih istriku yang cantik. Lalu dia memasakkan sarapan yang enak dan menyajikannya untukku di tempat tidur. Setelah itu, aku biasanya kembali tidur sementara dia membersihkan rumah. Dia pergi ke kantornya dan bekerja sampai sekitar tengah hari. Pada saat itu dia pulang dan membuatkan saya makan siang yang enak. Tentu saja dia harus kembali bekerja, jadi saya hanya duduk-duduk menonton televisi sepanjang sore. Saat dia pulang, dia selalu senang melihatku, jadi dia menciumku dengan ciuman lagi sebelum dia memasakkan makan malam yang enak untukku. Setelah makan besar ini, kami biasanya berciuman dan berpelukan di depan televisi sampai kami siap berangkat ke tempat tidur. Setiap hari seperti ini selama 20 tahun terakhir. Kedengarannya tidak terlalu buruk," kataku. "Apa masalahnya?" hanya untuk melakukan sesuatu yang berbeda. Saya pergi jalan-jalan hari ini, jawabnya. Sekarang, saya tidak ingat di mana saya tinggal. That's all I can say. If there is an error in my word, I apologize. That's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.